Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to get Grok AI free for 3 days with a SuperGrok trial. Are you curious about experiencing the powerful features of Grok AI without committing to a monthly fee right away? Well, you're in luck. This video will guide you through obtaining a free 3-day trial of SuperGrok, allowing you to explore its capabilities before deciding if it's the right fit for you. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of the process, ensuring that there are no unexpected surprises during or after your trial period. Let's dive into the process. To start, you'll need to open Grok on your device and navigate to your account section. This is typically located toward the bottom left corner of your screen. Look for a profile icon, which could be your avatar, your initials, or a small icon resembling a person. Once you spot it, click on it, and then select the Upgrade option from the menu. This will take you to the Plans page, where you can see the available options tailored for your account. Now, if your interface looks a bit different, don't panic. Software interfaces can update or vary slightly based on the version or device you're using. The key is to locate your profile or account menu and find an option that mentions upgrading or plans. Once you land on the Plans page, ensure you are viewing the individual plan section. This is crucial because the SuperGrok trial is offered there. On this page, you should see SuperGrok prominently displayed, usually with a label or badge indicating the 3-day free trial offer. It's a good idea to take a moment here to read through any details about the trial. This will help you understand what features and benefits are included during these 3 days. If you don't see the trial offer immediately, try scrolling through the page, switching between different plan types, or looking for a link that says something like See All Plans. Once you're ready, select the Upgrade option to initiate the SuperGrok trial. This action will start your free trial phase, granting you full access to the features for the next 3 days. Remember, after the trial concludes, it automatically transitions into a paid subscription at a rate of $30 per month unless you decide to cancel before the trial period ends. Keep in mind that pricing and availability may vary depending on your region and could change over time. Always double-check the cost displayed on your screen before you confirm anything. You might also be prompted to verify your payment method, even for the trial period. This is a common practice across many services, so there's no need to worry. A handy tip is to set a reminder on your calendar for the day before your trial ends. This way, you can review your experience and decide if you want to continue with the subscription. During your trial, make sure to explore SuperGrok thoroughly. Test out the tasks that are important to you. Push the limits of its capabilities, and take note of any features that save you time or improve your workflow. The goal here is to determine if the monthly subscription cost is justified for your specific needs. To sum it up, click on your profile, tap Upgrade, select the individual plan, and start your free 3-day SuperGrok trial. Remember, it will renew at $30 monthly if you choose to keep it after the trial period. Enjoy your exploration of SuperGrok's features. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to get Grok AI free for 3 days with a SuperGrok trial. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.